Today, we're diving deep into METAGENE-1, a revolutionary AI model that's trained on human wastewater. Yeah, you heard that right, wastewater. But before you say ew, let me tell you, this could be a game changer for public health, pandemic tracking, and biosurveillance. Before we jump into METAGENE-1, let's talk about the company behind it, Prime Intellect. Now, you may not have heard of them before, but they are a cutting-edge AI research company specializing in large-scale AI models and distributed computing. Their focus is on creating powerful AI models for scientific and medical research. Unlike OpenAI or Google DeepMind, they're tackling AI in a way that can directly impact public health and biotechnology. All right, let's get to the star of today's video. METAGENE-1. It's a 7 billion parameter AI model built to analyze genetic material in wastewater. But what makes this AI so special? Most AI models we talk about are trained on text, images, or speech. But METAGENE-1 is different. It's a metagenomic foundation model, meaning it's trained on a massive data set of DNA and RNA sequences from thousands of organisms. Think of it as an AI not for words, but for life itself. METAGENE-1 can recognize bacteria, viruses, fungi, and even unknown genetic sequences from a simple wastewater sample. This is where things get insane. Instead of analyzing words, METAGENE-1 is breaking down DNA sequences and finding patterns that help predict disease outbreaks, detect harmful pathogens, and monitor public health. Okay, now you might be wondering, how do you train an AI on DNA? Here's the process in simple terms. Step 1. Collect wastewater. They take samples from human wastewater, yes, sewage water. Step 2. Extract genetic material. Using advanced sequencing, they isolate DNA and RNA from bacteria, viruses, and other microbes. Step 3. Pre-process the data. The AI breaks down sequences into smaller tokens using a technique called byte pair encoding BPE. Step 4. Train on trillions of base pairs. The AI learns the patterns in genetic sequences, similar to how ChatGPT learns from text. And get this, the dataset is over 1.5 trillion base pairs of genetic sequences. That's like stacking all the books in the world and still not being close to the amount of data used here. Now let's talk about performance. Is METAGENE-1 just another research experiment, or does it actually work? Turns out, this model is a beast at pathogen detection. It achieved state-of-the-art results in recognizing harmful viruses, bacteria, and anomalies in DNA sequences. To test its abilities, researchers ran METAGENE-1 through standard genomic evaluation benchmarks, and it outperformed older models across the board. Imagine being able to detect the next pandemic before it even happens. This model can track emerging diseases before they spread, potentially saving millions of lives. Now, with great power comes great responsibility, right? So, what are the risks of METAGENE-1? One major concern is misuse in synthetic biology. If someone tries to use AI like this for bioengineering dangerous pathogens, it could be a problem. That's why the Prime Intellect team designed METAGENE-1 with safety limits. For example, short sequence analysis prevents full genome synthesis. Limited sequence generation avoids potential misuse in bioengineering. Strict safety benchmarks before releasing future models. The good news, the model is safe for biosurveillance and public health research. And in the future, researchers are working on even stricter AI safety frameworks. So, what's next? METAGENE-1 is already changing how we monitor diseases, and this is just the beginning. AI and genomics together can revolutionize medicine, biotech, and even how we fight pandemics. Imagine a world where AI detects disease outbreaks instantly, develops targeted treatments, and prevents global health crises before they even start. If you're as excited about this as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you think about METAGENE-1. Would you trust AI to monitor public health? Let's discuss. This is TechZider signing off. See you in the next one.